Hey, so check it out. I was finally able to complete my Empire Builder set. Got a pair of Marx C7s that we custom painted, and we added some clear glass to the cab windows and the windshield. Of course, I always drill out the Mars light. That's kind of my signature style, and I make dual headlights with 19-volt LEDs from Evan Designs. And I was able to pick up 5 Williams passenger cars that I got pretty reasonable. I got them for under $70. There was just one coupler missing from the baggage car, and I think I had to do a little work on the observation car. But other than that, they're all in pretty nice shape. And the E7 with a power pole motor seems to be able to handle them pretty good. So we'll take them for a spin. You can check them out. And we'll pick the camera up on this time by and follow it along the way out. I think that makes a really impressive train. The cars match the locomotive pretty nicely. Really happy with it. And wanting to get some passenger cars for these engines that look so nice anyway. It's one of my favorite paint schemes. Let the train pass, and then we'll put the camera back down again. Try to get it where I had it. There we go. These cars are pretty heavy. I'm really impressed with the Marx C7 powerful motor they're pulling. I lubricated the wheels, but still, that's not the easiest train to pull. All right, what a beautiful train. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.